guys, it's Neha, and today I will show you how to make 3-ingredient shortbread cookies, and they're very easy to make. So let's get started. So these are all the ingredients that you will need. So we have 1 cup of softened butter, which is basically at room temperature, which is around 226 grams. And we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of icing sugar, which is basically powdered sugar. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together. So I'm going to slide the entire butter into the bowl and sugar. So make sure it's powdered sugar. And then scrape down all the edges and do it again so everything is mixed properly. So I just finished creaming the butter. Let me show you how it looks like. So it's very light, very creamy. Look at the color. Before it was really dark and now it's really light. So that's how it should be. And I'm just going to scrape all the edges. And we're going to add the flour gradually into the batter. So don't try to add everything all at once. Try to gradually add a little bit by little bit. So I'm going to first scrape all the edges. And now I'm going to add a little flour. So what I'm going to do now is basically transfer all this dough onto the tabletop and knead it with my hands. So I'll just try to do it over here first, and then I'm going to transfer.
So at this point, I actually added another half cup of all-purpose flour. So according to the dough, make sure to add more flour or less flour to make sure that it's not too soft and to make the perfect shapes, because my dough was really soft. That's why I added extra flour.
So what I'm doing right now is basically wrapping the entire dough in plastic wrap, and make sure it's a bit tight, and then I'm going to refrigerate it for around 30 minutes. So I just took it out of the freezer and it looks pretty good. And I'm just going to roll it now. And now I'm going to use you can use anything over here. I'm just using the square container. You can use a circle container, any shape you want, anything that you can find in your pantry, and I'm just going to make little shapes. now I'm just going to transfer it into another tin where I'm going to put baking paper on.
So they're all ready to go into the oven for 20 minutes, which I preheated at 160 degrees at fan bake. The cookies are all golden and done, and they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel plus like the video. Bye!